Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've seen her on her famous shows and films throughout the years. She's not just an award-winning actress, but a person with a deep sense of advocacy for better health for all Filipinos. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the newest Eye Care brand ambassador, Miss Janine Gutierrez. Good morning. It is wonderful to see you. Very beautiful indeed. Can we give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, we have questions later on, Janine, for you. But for now, how does it feel to just be here on stage and be officially announced and introduced as Eye Care's newest brand ambassador?
I'm so happy and so grateful. Una sa lahat, good morning. I'm Janine. So nice to meet you and so nice to see you this Friday morning. So maraming salamat for being here, and I'm so grateful also to the Eye Care family because I really feel like I found the best partner for me and my family's health. So excited to talk more about it today. Thank you po.
For sure, and we're so happy, to hear it from not just the Eye Care team, but from you as well, that the feeling is mutual, that you guys are both happy to say yes to each other. And I know everyone's excited here as well to hear your statement on how we made it official dito sa Eye Care.
Official.
Official. But of course, it's all relaxed, and we prepared actually a video here showing Eye Care Janine's advocacy for better and affordable healthcare. So how about we all watch this?
Healthcare is more than just coverage. It's about innovation, care, and accessibility. Eye Care is committed to making quality healthcare more accessible and tailored to the needs of every Filipino. My advocacies have always been close to my heart. Whether it's environmental sustainability or public health, I believe that real progress happens through partnerships and collaboration.
Since 1991, Eye Care continues to grow with purpose, expanding its reach and services to serve more Filipinos. At Eye Care, we provide tailored healthcare solutions that support both businesses and individuals. With rising medical costs, we help our clients manage expenses through smart cost management, ensuring they receive the best care without setbacks. Say yes to reliable healthcare. We stand for innovation, care, accessibility, reliability, and excellence. Because healthcare isn't just a service, it's a commitment.
With Eye Care, you get a partner who takes care of you today and secures your well-being for the future. Say yes to better health.
First thing talaga is when I do my yearly parang expenses, HMO talaga. Kasi sometimes no matter how well you take care of yourself, hindi mo talaga maiwasan, hindi mo masabi kung anong pwedeng mangyari. So, I really like encourage everyone to, take the time to get your Eye Care plan. Kasi at least meron kang peace of mind na, tuloy-tuloy ka sa trabaho, tayong mga freelancer, di ba? Kakaiba yung schedule, lahat tayo, kung ano man ang trabaho mo, nagpupuyat. So, it's really just nice to have that peace of mind na there is that support system that will take care of you, whatever happens. So, bukod dyan, I work out. Yung workouts that I enjoy, yung mga parang hindi mo mamalayan na workout like tennis or paddle, Pilates, parang yun talaga yung key para sa akin. Something na na-enjoy mo and something you can do with friends or family. So yan din actually yung trick ko para mapa-workout yung tatay ko. Niyayaya ko siya na maglaro tayo, ganyan. Kasi it's those little things that really add up to your overall health.
Gusto rin na malaman, kinunan mo ba si Jenny?
Diretsahan na daw. Wala na pa tumpik-tumpik pa. It's 11:40. Let's do it.
Actually, walang kamalay-malay siya, na siya na yung napagbintangan sa mga paraw sa Boracay. Pati siya nagulat na, okay to Pero I really love that campaign kasi talagang it's a reminder na before you say yes to anything else, say yes to health. Pero, Tito June, I actually got na for my whole family. So,
including Jericho, is it
actually, hindi pa. Yan ang mamaya, trabahuin natin.
Noted.
Tawagan na natin siya. Pero, I got na for my family. Ate din kasi ako So, apat kaming magkakapatid. And ako talaga yung in charge na bumili ng healthcare para sa kanila. Pero actually, since there are so many choices with the eye care plans, kaya na nila magbayad ng sarili nila. So, so I was able to get for my parents and my 3 siblings.
It represents kasi something, a change, kasi we transitioned from the old corporate colors to orange, and it represents something fresh, something new, and it should stand out amongst the industry players. That's why we chose orange as the corporate color.
Well, syempre nagsimula sa Boracay, and now we have this video that we can share with everyone to really show kung paano siya very accessible for everyone, especially, you know, those who are starting pa lang to work, kung ano ba talaga yung priorities ng isang young adult or young family, or actually no matter what age. And yeah, looking forward to making more plans kung saan tayo pwedeng magparaw pa. May paraw pa ba sa ano? Saan pa ba?
Siargao.
Siargao!
Kung walang paraw doon, magpapagawa si Ike ng paraw para doon.
It was actually established in 1991.
1991.
Back then, we were the wholly owned subsidiary of Insular Life, one of the biggest domestic life insurance companies in the Philippines. 100% yun. And at that time, we're not really into the mainstream. So, eye care was established to serve the captive market of InLife. And in 2018, so they changed the business model, and we started entering into the employee benefit, the mainstream. And in 2023, one of the milestones, a group of Singaporean doctors, investors, became the majority shareholder. The date of our marriage was August 2023. So they became the majority at 60%. So 40% remains within life. Sila yung value-based investors based in Singapore. They're actually here.
Hello po sir.
Comprehensive yung app, no? And our members have access to the app. And medyo technical yung LOA, medyo familiar yung iba, no? LOA is letter of authorization that is used by our members when availing through to our accredited hospitals and clinics. So you could actually generate your own LOA coming from the mobile app. Aside from that, it also has other features for health and wellness. You could also view your coverages, your usage, kung ano na yung na-utilize nyo on your plan. What else? There's also, you could also file reimbursements through the mobile app. So
mas madali na po.
Yes, it makes healthcare very accessible, sabi ni Michelle.
Sobra. Kasi going back to the app, there's also one feature that I really like. There's this Telemed 7. It's 24/7 teleconsult with a doctor. So, para sa akin, sobrang okay yon. Kasi, di ba, minsan sa schedule natin, you have a hard time na pupunta ka sa ospital. Minsan parang sa tingin mo, simpleng tanong lang, wag na. Pero it's actually those little things na very important na, you know, masagot agad kung meron pa akong kailangan gawin, meron pa akong sakit or problema. So yung easy access to a healthcare professional through the app, wherever you are, anytime, sobrang useful and empowering. And then, I know I always talk about being an ate and, you know, thinking about my siblings. Pero one of the things na gusto ko din about eye care is na it empowers you to have the ability to take care of yourself. No matter what age you are, there's a plan you can afford. Kung busy yung ate mo, then just do the Telemed 7 and ask your doctor. So, happy ako kasi it empowers talaga Filipinos to, na kaya mo to really get good healthcare at alagaan ng sarili mo para patuloy kang makapagtrabaho, makapag-ipon, makapagbakasyon sa Parao, and plan your future and your future plans. And I'm so happy kasi of course the eye care team and sila, Attorney Gideon, are so open to yung mga malapit sa puso ko, like education talaga is one thing and empowering the youth. whether it be through trabaho or pag-aaral or the environment. So, yeah, excited to make more plans with that. Pero ang pinaka na-appreciate ko talaga is yung pag-e-empower nila sa sarili mo na kaya mo talagang at dapat mong alagaan ang health at sarili mo. The product speaks for itself eh. So I think ang role ko lang is really to amplify it as much as I can. Share ko sa followers ko and then hopefully they share it with their family and followers. Pero ang ganda kasi talaga ng produkto and napaka-thoughtful nila sa buhay natin today in the sense na imagine pwede kang bumili sa Shopee or sa Lazada ng healthcare. So, it's really tailored para sa ating lahat. And I'm happy that I get to share that message. Kasi alam ko din yung feeling na ganyan, Tito Gorgie, yung hindi ko natuloy. Hindi ko natuloy. Dapat tinuloy ko na and then may mangyayari. So, thank you din for sharing that kasi talagang lesson para sa ating lahat na kapag hindi mo prioritize, baka bigla mong hanapin. So, now's the time talaga to really get that plan for you.
Na dapat prioritize din natin ang criteria. Na-discuss na rin ba ninyo yung mga ganun klase?
Ang bilis ng pangyayari.
Talagang pinigil ko raw.
Medyo na-whip lang ako, bilis eh. Oo.
Actually, nandito po siya.
Hoy!
Charot. Well,
nasa plano niya, di ba? Of course. Ano man napapag-usapan?
Well, health talaga napapag-usapan namin kasi with our work, yung trabaho, di ba, medyo physical, puyatan, and emotional din also. So, talagang puhunan namin yung health eh. And tayong lahat naman ganon. So, palagi talaga namin pinag-uusapan yung health and how to be healthier. Whether it be check-ups or, you know, para sa pamilya namin. Ako, dati sa mga lola ko, yun talaga yung nasa isip ko. So, health is really so important to me. And I'm happy to have a partner in health. Aside from eye care, na talagang pareho ng priority sa akin. So tingin ko dapat po talaga lahat. And I'm happy kasi, di ba, tayo, wala namang ibang bibili ng healthcare para sa atin kasi parang contractual tayo or freelancers. Press, artista, makeup artist, writer. So tayo talaga yung dapat kumilos na gumawa ng paraan para meron tayong healthcare at partner sa health. So, happy ako na, you know, merong mga kanya-kanyang grupo. And ang ganda nun na meron po palang option na yung pre-existing condition nyo ay pwedeng partially ma-cover. Kasi wala pa akong narinig na ganyan sa iba. So, at least, di ba ngayon, merong mga communities that really support group, tapos meron ka pang support from eye care. The opposite. may pagkapraning ako when it comes to health. Just because I've seen the effects of people na avoiding their symptoms hanggang sa lumala na lang. So, dahil nakita ko yun sa mga tao sa paligid ko, dala na rin siguro ng hirap ng buhay, di ba? Na kailangan mong magtrabaho imbes na you take a sick day. Kaya na to, gano'n na lang. Pero ang dami ko na kasing nakita na because they ignored a small problem, lumaki ng lumaki hanggang sa lumala. So, I've always believed that prevention is better than cure. And when it comes to your health, kailangan mo talaga ng support, ng peace of mind na I can continue working because if ever I do have a question with my health or God forbid, may aksidente sa set or anything, hindi ako mag-aalala sa babayarin ko. I can just focus on getting better. Kasi syempre, ang dami ko na ding mga nabisita na kamag-anak sa ospital or loved ones sa ospital na imbis na mag-focus sila sa magpapahinga ako, magpapagaling ako, ang nasa isip nila, paano ko babayaran to? And hindi talaga siya nakakatulong because mental health is as important as your physical health. So, sobrang helpful to really have that partner. Even the liaison officer sa ospital na tutulungan ka sa mga papeles mo, it's such a big deal. Or yung Telemed 7 na I can ask the doctor anytime, okay lang ba to? Pwede ba ako pumasok sa work bukas? Kasi syempre, iisipin mo din, am I endangering my coworkers sa pagtuloy ko sa trabaho? So, ayun, I think na it's really just so important to have that support system and makinig ka sa katawan mo. Huwag mong i-ignore kung meron kang karamdaman. Prevention is better than cure, and ask your doctor. Oh, thanks for asking. That's so sweet. Oh no, still recovering. Siyempre malungkot pa rin. Sobrang kasi, nagsabay-sabay. Parang we lost 3 family members in 3 weeks. So, that's okay. No, there are good days and there are bad days, but it's also a testament to how important family is. Kasi talagang naramdaman namin yung support ng isa't isa. Actually, medyo parang kinakabahan ako kanina coming here to St. Luke's because my uncle was here in the ICU here, so parang medyo fresh pa. Pero I guess it's also part of my message din na, you never really know what's gonna happen. And no matter how prepared you think you are, it's so important to have people to rely on na masasandalan mo. Para kung hindi ka okay today, hindi sila yung haharap sa tao today. Or kung may tanong ka, I'm so grateful to doctors and to healthcare kasi napakalaking bagay. It's really life or death sometimes. So, parang parang yun na yata talaga yung message ko sa mga tao now na, really take care of your health and live life to the fullest and always find the best partner. Parang at the end of the day, it's really the people around you na talagang makakaangat sa'yo in times of need.